Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about literal equation level 2. Level 1 video I already uploaded. This is level 2. That means we are going to encounter a little harder problems. C is equal to f minus by 9, 5 by 9, f in bracket f minus 32. We have to solve for f. To start doing that, just get rid of this 9 part by multiplying 9 both sides. So 9c equal to 5 into f minus 32. 9c, 5 into f is 5f minus 32 into 5 is 160. Let's get rid of minus 160 by doing plus 160 both sides. We are trying to solve for f, so to make sure that one side will be f and another side will be other variables. So 9c plus 160 equal to 5f. Now just get rid of 5 by dividing 5 both sides. So 9c plus 160 by 5 equal to f. This is a solution of this literal equation. Next one, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. We're solving for x. Step 1, let's multiply m with this equation. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus m x1. Just get rid of minus m x1 by doing plus m x1 both sides. So left hand side will be y minus y1 plus mx1 is equal to mx. Now we're trying to solve for x. M into x. To get rid of this m, we have to divide both sides by m. So y minus y1 plus mx1 by m is equal to x. This is the answer of this equation. Next, a equal to half into h b1 plus b2. We're solving for b1. To do that, just get rid of this denominator by both sides multiplying by 2. So 2a equal to h into b1 plus b2. Let's expand this expression by using distributive property. 2a equal to hb1 plus hb2. Next step, get rid of plus hb2 from right hand side, because we have to make sure one side will be the variable that we are looking for, b1, and the other side will be other variable. Minus hb2. 2a minus hb2 equal to hb1. Now, we're trying to solve for b1, and h is the only variable staying with b1. So h into b1. To get rid of h, we have to divide both sides by h. 2a minus hb square, b2, sorry, by h is equal to b1. This is the solution. Next, Rn plus a into I equal to Pn. So we are solving for n. N is here, n is here. So step 1, let's distribute this whole expression, expand this, and let's see where we stand. Rni plus ai, where is using the distributive property, equal to p into n. Let's bring together where n exists. R N I plus A I. We're doing minus Pn both sides. Minus Pn equal to 0. Next step, let's get rid of AI from this side, from left hand side, because there's no use of keeping this other variable in left hand side. We're only looking for those expressions that has n. I minus Pn equal to minus AI. N is common between these two terms. So Ri minus P is equal to minus AI. To get rid of this expression, we simply divide both sides with Ri minus P. So N, we are looking for solving for N. N is equal to minus AI divided by Ri minus P. This is the solution. Move on to last two problems of this video. W plus 1 by W plus N cube plus 15B squared by 8. Now, just do this normal cross multiplication. That means 8 will multiply by this side and W will multiply by this side. 8 into minus, we're just doing the cross multiplication, plus 1 equal to minus W equal to N cube plus 15B squared. We are solving for W. Let's expand by using the distributive property. Minus 8W plus 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Minus W into N cube is minus W N cube plus 15. Sorry, plus and minus minus 15 V square W. Let's bring all the terms together which contains W. Plus 8W both sides. This side is 8 and this side W is common, minus N cube minus 15 V squared plus 8. So W will be equal to, we are dividing both sides by the big expression. I'm putting in parentheses minus N cube minus 15 V squared plus 8. This is the answer. Last problem of this video. We're solving for k. This is expression, this is equation, and we're solving from k. Step 1, get rid of the denominator part by multiplying both sides. Is m plus 7 minus 9m plus k, m plus 7 equal to minus 1, m plus 7. So minus 9m plus k equal to minus m plus minus minus 7. Bring the like terms together, or you can say get rid of minus 9m plus doing plus 9m both sides. So k equal to minus m plus 9m equal to 8m minus 7. That is the solution of this equation. We just solve for k. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it is useful. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.